Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change line color word. You will begin by opening the Word document. To add a line, in the Insert menu, click on Shapes and choose the desired line. After that, press the Shift key on your keyboard so that the line is well drawn. With the line selected, from the Shape Format menu, display the shape outline options. Under Weight, select a width for the line. With the most visible line, from the Shape Format, you are going to select one of the colors that you see available in the color palette. The change will be automatic. After this, select the line and right-click on it. Click on Format Shape. There, in the Fill in Line section, in the Lines field, activate the Gradient Line box. You can use any of the available options such as Automatic Designs, or choose the type of gradient to use in the line. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.